This is a free event held on 24th December which promises a spellbinding pyrotechnics display. In this event, you can join other partygoers and be merry as you drink and dance to the concert by local bands. This event is open from December 1st to 26th, and regarding fares, you can find on the screen or check out their website. The most interesting attraction in this event is the captivating Italian luminaire light sculptures. Just be astonished how these multicolored colossal structures instantly brighten up the ambience. You should also check out Christmas Parade, special Super Tree Grooves lighting show, and Walk of Peace, Christmas Tree Cafe, Santa's Workshop, and the most fun part is the Carnival Games. Poinsettia your wishes at Flower Dome. This event is already in live, and to know fare details, promotions and discounts, please check out their official website, which I'll give in the description. And as everyone know, Flower Dome is the most beautiful attraction in Singapore. This season floral display features not only beautiful Christmas blooms but also replicates a typical Christmas village in Northern Europe. Actually, we are planning to visit in a week or two. For now, these are the pics from last year's Christmas. Hope you like it. A Universal Christmas. This is also an ongoing event. For special promotions and discounts, please check out their official website, which I'll give in the description. Universal Studios Singapore has always been a theme park chock full of fun. The Christmas version is no different, and in fact, you can enjoy even more attractions and special performance courtesy of the festivities. From the new and improved immersive Santa's Workshop, light-hearted musicals and Christmas themed snacks and many more attractions. You know what? There is something to entice everyone. Photo opportunities are also abundant with the park tastefully decked in Christmas decor, and the interesting part is that it might snow. Along the Singapore riverside, you will be glancing the fully decorated city from one side while listening to the melodious renditions of Christmas hits. You can even go for a boat ride and enjoy a magical Christmas with your loved ones. Snowfall at Shiseido Forest Valley and Canopy Park. Though we might not be able to travel to temperature countries this year end, we can still experience snowfall at Changi Airport. There will be hardly snowfalls at Jewel's Indoor Garden at 6:30 pm, 7:30 pm, 8:30 pm, 9:30 pm and at 10:30 pm. Tokidoki Snow Holiday. This event is located at Terminal 3 Departure Hall in Changi Airport. This is a 2-story Tokidoki Snow Fun House where temperature will be sub-zero and participants will get to play with real snow. It also features a 12-meter long snow luge. Air Tokidoki at Terminal 3 Basement 2 Changi Airport. This is a themed photo spot, features a model aircraft cabin with authentic cabin seats from Boeing 777-200 aircraft. Overnight glamping at Changi Airport. For fares, promotions and discounts, please check out their official website, which I'll give in the description. Jewel Changi Airport is allowing visitors to stay overnight with its glamping programs. The Cloud9 pizza tents will be converted for the glam picnic experience in the day. Dino Kart at Terminal 4 Arrival Curbside Changi Airport. In this event, visitors can take part in Dino Kart, a go-karting experience with electric go-karts that go up to 24 km/h. There is also a night karting experience featuring colorful neon lights and a lighted tunnel. Dino Wonderland at Terminal 3 Departure Hall Changi Airport. This is an exhibition regarding Dino's Christmas where visitors can take photos. Admission to this event is free. 2-day 1-night family camp and more at Changi Experience Studio at Jewel. A 2-day 1-night family camp at Changi Experience Studio priced $160 per adult and $130 per child, which includes almost 15 varieties of small events. I'm sure if you have a kid, you will definitely enjoy this event. And finally, Merry Christmas everyone. Thank you for watching the video. If you like it, please like and share. And don't forget to subscribe the channel.